Hello dear students. We already started the chapter quadrilaterals and also we have discussed some theorems. Total 7 theorems we've already discussed. So today we are going to do some problems based on those theorems. Okay. First question is, show that each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Show that each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Yes. Yeah, dear children, we already know that, but here we have to prove that each angle in a rectangle is 90 degree. Yes, what is a rectangle? A rectangle, you know that a rectangle is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree. A rectangle is a parallelogram which one angle equal to 90 degree. So consider the rectangle and name this one as A, B, C and D. Yes, ABCD is a rectangle and also it is a parallelogram with one angle 90 degree. First of all, we have to consider a rectangle. What we have to prove? In a rectangle, each angle is 90 degree. So, we are already considered a rectangle ABCD. Then, here is we have to use the concept that a rectangle is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree. So, anyone among these four angles, yes, we can mark angle A equal to 90 degree. Then it is enough to prove angle B equal to 90, angle C equal to 90 and angle D equal to 90. Okay. Then ABCD is a rectangle means you know that the side AB is parallel to side DC and also the side AD is parallel to the side BC. Yes, because it is a parallelogram itself. Then AB parallel to DC means AB and DC are two parallel lines and also we can consider the side AD is its transversal. Yes, we know that for one pair of parallel lines, if a line is intersecting the parallel lines at a intersecting the two parallel lines, we can call that line is a transversal. So here we can consider AD is a transversal. AB and DC are parallel lines and AD is a transversal. We already studied some properties of parallel lines and transversal in the chapter lines and angles. Here AB and DC are parallel lines and AD is a transversal. So here you can see two angles, this angle A and angle D. This angle A and angle D are what type of angles? They are co-interior angles. Okay, and we know that co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles supplementary means sum of these two angles. So angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Supplementary means total sum is 180 degree. Angle A and angle D are co-interior means co-interior angle and they are supplementary means angle A plus angle D equal to 180. And angle A plus angle D 180, we already know that angle A equal to 90 degree. So 90 plus angle D equal to 180. So what is angle D? 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. Now we got angle D also 90 degree. Okay. Then ABCD is a parallelogram and we know the properties of one of the property of a parallelogram is opposite angles are equal. Then angle D is the opposite side is which one opposite angle of angle D is angle B. So angle D 90 means angle B also 90. Opposite angles equal. Then same way the opposite angle of the angle A is angle C. If angle A is 90 degree, angle C also 90 degree. Now we proved that angle angle B equal to 90 degree angle B equal to 90 degree, angle C equal to 90 degree and degree. And angle D also 90 degree. Yes. We already considered angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to 90 degree. So, what we can tell in a rectangle, each angle is 90 degree. Okay. Then what the next question? Show that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Show that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Yes. Let's consider a rhombus. Okay, a rhombus. The name that one as, we can name that one as PQRS. What we have to prove? Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors. That means, yes, we have to prove perpendicular means, yeah, here first we have to consider two diagonals. One is PR and the next one is QS. We have to prove that the angle while intersecting two diagonals, the angle forming there is 90 degree. We have to prove, yes, any one angle 90 degree. Okay. Total 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. If one is 90 means we can prove other also 90 degree. Yes. It is given that PQRS is a parallel, it is a rhombus. Rhombus means rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. So what we can tell? PQ equal to RS, QR equal to RS equal to PS. That we already know. And PQRS is a rhombus means it is a parallelogram. We all know that in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other means one diagonal bisect the other diagonal. Yes, first consider the diagonal PR. Yes, this PR, diagonal PR. This diagonal PR divides QS into two equal parts. So, yes, this while intersecting, this intersecting point is O, the middle point O, then PR divides QS into two equal parts means, that means this O, the point O divides the line AQS into two equal parts. So, SO equal to OQ. SO equal to OQ. Same way, consider the diagonal SQ. SQ also divides the diagonal PR into two equal parts. So what we can tell? PO equal to RO. Yes, we can write these all here. Yes, what are the concepts we discussed? First one, PQ equal to QR equal to, yes, we can write here. We have PQ equal to QR equal to SR equal to PS because it is a rhombus. And also now we got PO equal to OR and SO equal to OQ. Diagonals bisect each other. Yes, using these all the concepts, we have to prove angle POQ equal to 90 degree. We have to prove perpendicular, that means the angle forming there is 90 degree. Yes, to prove this one, we will use the congruency of triangles. We already studied, you already know there's some congruent rule, SSS, SAS, like that. Then here, consider the two triangles POS and POQ. Yes, consider the triangles. Which one? Triangle POS and triangle POQ. In triangle POS and POQ, you can see that, yes, OS equal to OQ. That means in the triangle POS, first triangle we are considering is POS. Okay, in POS, and the next triangle we are considering POQ. POQ, yes. Then in these two triangles, we can tell it is given that OS or equal to OQ. That means in triangle POS, the side OS is equal to the side of the triangle, that means OQ of the triangle POQ. Then, yes, in triangle POS and POQ, OS equal to OQ. Yes, OS equal to OQ. OS and OQ are equal. Okay. And also being a rhombus, PS equal to PQ. That means in triangle POS, the side PS, and in the triangle POQ, the side PQ are equal. And PS equal to PQ. Yes. Not only that one, in both triangle you can see a side PO. So PO is common for both side. Common means PO equal to PO. Yes. PO is a common side. PO is common. So what we can write PO equal to PO. Side PO equal to PO because in both triangles the same side PO. Now we can see that in two triangles, three equal sides OS and OQ, PS equal to PQ, PO equal to PO. That means three sides of one triangle is equal to three sides of another triangle. That means here we can use the congruency S, three sides. By using S congruency rule, we can tell these two triangles are congruent. Which are the triangles? POS, triangle POS congruent to triangle POQ. Triangle POS and POQ are congruent. Yes, if triangle PS, consider here triangle POS and POQ are congruent. Then two triangles, now we got these two triangles are congruent, and also one is congruent means it's a sides equal and also its angle also equal. In triangle POS and POQ, what we can tell, angle POS equal to angle POQ, because if two triangles are congruent, its corresponding angles also equal. Then we can write here angle POS equal to angle POQ. Angle POS equal to angle POQ. That is corresponding angles of the congruent triangle. Corresponding angles of the congruent triangle. Corresponding parts. Corresponding angle means it's a part. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. We can write that is in short form CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Actually, this one you have to study in the 7th chapter, but 7th chapter is not included in this term. That is why. Otherwise, you've already studied this. Okay. Yes. Then by using CPCT, angle POS equal to angle POQ. Then consider the figure. Yes. What about POS and POQ? Yes. That's angle POS and POQ. That means these two angles, POS and POQ. What type of angle? This is a linear pair. Yes, POS and POQ are linear pair. Yes, linear pair means sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree. Angle POS plus angle POQ equal to 180 degree. Yes. Not only that one, these two are equal because they are corresponding angles of the congruent triangle. Equal means each one should be 90 degree. So angle POS equal to angle POQ equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then only total 180 degree. Angle POS equal to angle POQ equal to 90 degree. Then yes, we got angle POQ equal to POS equal to 90 degree. If these two are 90 degree means or vertically opposite angles are equal, then angle SOR also 90 degree. POQ 90 means this SOR also 90 degree. This SOR also 90 degree. And the vertically POS 90 means QOR also 90 degree. That means all angle equal to 90 degree. That means the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Then we proved that in the rhombus, diagonals bisect each other and also they are perpendicular bisectors. Okay. Rectangle, yes, diagonals of a rhombus